Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I know I titled this video 2025 BMW tutorials, but this will work for the last couple of years worth of BMWs to show you how to gain access to your owner's manual if you're wondering how to do that. So we're going to go right here. See those four squares right there? We're going to select right there, and then right here, driver's manual. Now here's the thing, there's a lot going on here that you can do. You can go to vehicle information if you want to, and you can select whatever it is you need to know about. Now you'll notice there's going to be a few sub-menus here, so you'll just have to go accordingly to whatever it is you need to do, but it's going to give you the information that you need. So you can see that that's how you're going to gain access to some of the information, but that's not the only way you can do this. If you want to go over here, go back, we're going to go to brief information. How about that? What if you want to go to driving? There's what you're going to get. Now, it's not going to be as much, but it will give you the information you need, and you can see what all is here. But this is not my favorite thing. Here's what I like the most. We're going to go to animations. Here's the good news about that. It's not just animation, it also has audio with it.
You can set a desired speed to be maintained automatically while driving on an unobstructed road.
Now, I'm not going to go too long in that, but you get the idea. So if you were searching for and wondering where do you go to gain access to your driver's manual, now you know. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Tell me down in the comments if there are other tutorials you would like to see me make, whether it's on a BMW or some other make and model. And I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.